Well, hey everybody, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this addition that was added to a house, and we can tell where the addition is based on the sawtooth, like a zipper, where they've added the two parts of the addition together. The bricks themselves match pretty well with the colors, okay, and we can see it right here. So just wanted you to take a look. Now this is white mortar, and they did match the mortar. Let's take a look at the joints themselves. And if you take a look here at the joints, you can see where it's a V-shaped striker tool where they strike it. That compresses the mortar into the joints and makes it more dense so it's more solid. Here's the two additions coming together. We don't build this way because it's just too good. Thanks a lot. Bye.